Still so uncle, I was seeing a video the other day. He was asked the Paps, "और कितना videos लोगे मेरा?" Same ही तो मैं लग रही हूँ. You know, it was beautiful. But that's how it's been. The last couple of years has been fantastic for you. Do you sometimes just are you in shock or what is it going? Yes, of course, everyone puts in the same amount of effort. You're watching all your films and different kinds of films also. You know? So it must be a fantastic period. What do you like? What is the thought process now? What are you thinking?
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do that. All right.
All good.
Do that again.
Everyone to do it.
Now the Paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. ऐसा follow करेंगे. Yes, please.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time, not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir. What can get better bigger than that? And Murthy sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how Sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with Sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid Sir, of course, like I think for this film is the first time Sir called me, and he was like, "Listen, we wanted to work with each other, and I have a great script for you." And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with a scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. It's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
So are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well. You know, and congratulations on this. And I think your good luck charm will continue to run with this also. That's what Salman sir, Gaurav sir, and Sajid sir also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir. But you know, you've got this incredible friendship with Salman sir. You know, and you understand what the audience wants. You know, it's both ways. You know, it's a very fine line in balancing what the audience wants. We were discussing so many things. These numbers, you know, for the public it's different. But you as a producer, it really is nerve-wracking sometimes, you know. Yes, everyone expects these massive numbers over time, but when you're out there, you're picking the dates, you're picking the kind of script, you're picking, you know, even in this case, calling Rashmika, just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know, every time they say Friday decides our career. We're not what we were last year or what we were the year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday. I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate.
But simple, now you've seen the film, what was your first shot? Wow, I love it. Okay. As a producer, also, as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say yes?